Alright, so it's cold and I'm gonna put a jacket on, but first I just wanted to flex on y'all. Cause like, you know, I told y'all I'm getting an 8-pack, okay? But we got our, instead of an exposed video, a positive video. My top 5 real estate YouTube channels to follow. So let me get a jacket on and we're gonna head outside and we'll talk about this. So I'm going to my jungle that I arrived to make my diss tracks. Well, but this one, positive, like we said. Honestly, I'm just gonna get straight to it. We're gonna start with just 5 YouTubers I like for real estate. I think they're great. We're gonna start this week off on a positive note. I have more exposed videos coming this week, so we got to start it off with a good one. I think you guys should follow these people or take a look at least various different styles from this top 5, but all of which I think you could learn. They teach various aspects of real estate. They're doing good, various sizes. Some people are new. Some people have been in the industry longer than I've been alive actually. So it's all over the place, but check these guys out for sure. I think you guys will get some value out of it without a doubt. But if you're new here to the channel too, check them out. We have some real estate videos. We have the real estate course as well as a lot of stock videos. So yeah, subscribe, like the video, dislike the video. Actually, if you really enjoy this video, you should dislike it. Maybe that's what we'll do, because I think if you know, you know. But I'm just kidding. Do whatever you want. I don't care. But let's get to it. Number 1, this guy's name is Maxwell. So I don't know if I'm going to put these in the link in the description. I think if you search them, it probably helped them out better. But you guys could see these guys, and let me know too. Comment below if you guys have ever heard of these guys or watched them. But I'm giving this guy my number 1. So you guys know another real estate guy I like, but I think this guy's channel's growing. I think it should be bigger, but he is just straight. It's raw. It's like a higher quality TTF channel where it's really raw out there. He's really doing deals. You could really tell if you're in the industry. I love the guy's attitude. I love the stuff he puts out there. Real hustler. He's really involved with the people and his followers, so I like him a lot. I would endorse him. I would give him a lot of stuff. He has like courses and stuff like that. I think the guy, you could learn a lot, and I think even then, just in general, the amount that he puts on his YouTube channel, great content, great dude overall. So Maxwell, that's who the guy's name is. He does wholesaling and stuff like that, mainly wholesaling, flipping. So he's number 1. Number 2, we're going to give it to somebody you've heard me talk about, Meet Kevin. I like him. I think he gets the number 2 spot. Again, his is also about being both. I think his is more for the real estate agents. He talks about income and rental properties. I don't know about house flipping. He's more of a conservative guy, but he also discusses other stuff on his channel related to like money. He is a multimillionaire himself. He owns a few different properties. Really funny guy. The channel's very entertaining. The videos are entertaining, very informative. So I love him. He gets the number 2 spot. You guys have probably already heard me talk about him on the channel. So he's someone good I like. Number 3, I'm gonna give this one. I'm gonna split it between 2 people. And those 2 people are going to be Stefan, and the other one is a company, Biggerpockets. So I like Stefan. He's kind of like Meet Kevin. He's a real estate agent as well. That's what his is. He also has stuff on making money. He's talked about even stocks, investing like $100. He's had Ricky Gutierrez on his channel, I believe so. He's really involved in the YouTube community with these guys. I think it's a good channel. I honestly, I think it's good. It's great quality, great information. It's kind of like Meet Kevin, but I feel like Meet Kevin's is more in there. So that's why I'm giving him the shared spot with Biggerpockets. And that is a company, it's a forum. If you guys have never heard of it,
You should definitely, if any level of real estate you're trying to get into, real estate agent, house flipping, wholesaling, you got to check out biggerpockets. I would give them a top spot, but it's not really a person, I guess. But I guess I shouldn't have limited this to people, but that's what I kind of have limited to now that we're halfway through this, or more than halfway through. But they're a awesome channel or resource. Their YouTube isn't as good, so that's why I guess I'm splitting it up, because their website and forum is probably going to be more use to you, but definitely check them out. They got a bunch of cool tools all over the place. So that's number 3. Number 4, Mike Ferry, and I guess you could say Tom Ferry, the Ferry family. They have a cool YouTube channel, and they also have their own courses and crazy seminars. These guys have been in the industry for a long time, and it's more traditional. It's stuff in really everything. I think they do mortgages to agents to really all sorts of stuff, and they're really wide end. They're known in the industry. A lot of older people use them. Their audience in retirement is you know, people like that. So I like them though. It's a good take on it. You could learn a lot. They have some cool stuff, cool interviews. And that's what I'm saying. It's giving you back, you know, the more old school approach. You guys know how I am with that, but I think check them out. I would give them that number 4 spot. And then finally, number 5, I'm going to give to a guy named Bryan Casella. And he has a cool channel. He's a car guy. That's one thing I think a lot of people have referenced, but even beyond his cool cars, he actually has some great stuff on like raw cold calling people, getting leads, door knocking, and it's authentic, and I like it. And it's, you know, I think it's really motivating, and he's really aggressive in a way, and he's really about it. Great content, everything, cool visuals, again, valuable content. If you really take it and apply it, I like him. He's great. So yeah, those are my top 5. Check all those guys out. I think I'll put them in the description for you guys, but let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've heard of these people. Let me know if I missed anybody, but these are my 5 in my opinion. You guys are going to have your different one. That's the best part. There's resources everywhere. Everyone, you know, you're going to learn differently. I think I have to say that, but it's true. You know, there is, but a lot of stuff is really uniform, especially in real estate where there's not much variation. You know, there's a few ways to do it and go about it, but you can get creative, and that's where there's been disruptions, like, you know, even through technology, mainly through like stuff like Redfin. But I won't get too deep into that. I'll leave it there. Let me know, comment below, subscribe if you like it. Peace out.